What is up, guys? All right, in this video, I'm going to be explaining the purpose of the next 11 videos that I will be releasing on my YouTube channel. I created a 10 video vlog series while I was on vacation. Each video will recap everything that I ate, drank, and if I was able to complete a workout for that day. You can assume, unless otherwise stated in a video, I usually drink water and unsweet iced tea most days every day. My goal is to show you guys how I'm trying to stay to my low carb diet while on vacation. Now, I'm also trying to be a little bit flexible, so there's a possibility there may be a cheat meal here or there, and there may be some adult beverages. I also hope to show in these videos how I'm able to time manage each day to where I'm able to work in time with the family as well as possibly getting in a workout. And it's tough to get a workout in on vacation because you want to relax, you want to have fun, you don't necessarily have a gym close, you're out of your element. Hopefully I'll be able to show you how I got creative with my workouts at times on this vacation as well. Like I always say on this channel, it's not going to look pretty. I'm just simply sharing my own personal experience. Here's what I can also tell you. I have all 10 videos already edited and uploaded to YouTube. I will be releasing the videos one day at a time starting next week on July 28th. I'll be releasing 5 videos that week, Monday through Friday, and then I will release the remaining 5 videos the week of August 5th, Monday through Friday. The 11th video I'm still working on, and that's going to be basically my takeaways, how I think I handled my diet and my exercise while I was on vacation. I will also explain how I would have done things differently now after evaluating how I handled everything post-vacation. As most of you know, I'm in a maintenance mode at the moment. So I will also include in the 11th video what I actually would have done each day differently if I was in a weight loss mode. And I think you guys might be surprised at what I have to say about this. So that's kind of what I got going on right now, guys. I want to be helpful. The videos are going to be short. I think the longest video is about 5 minutes. I did try to make them entertaining. I spent a lot of time on them, so there are some, fun parts of the video as well as informational. So I just really hope this series is going to help you guys out. So be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you are sure to get notified when these videos release. Make sure to hit that like button, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.